Private investigators in the Philippines. Navigating secrets in a culture of discretion. Private investigators occupy a space in our collective imagination that is both intriguing and mysterious. Often depicted as solitary figures operating the shadows, they navigate a world of secrets and hidden truths. In the Philippines, where cultural norms emphasize discretion and family reputation, their role takes on unique significance. The allure of private investigation stems from the clandestine nature of the work itself. They possess the skills to access databases, conduct surveillance, and gather evidence. The legality of private investigators in the Philippines is a subject often shrouded in misconception. Contrary to popular belief, hiring a private investigator is not inherently illegal. However, their operations are subject to specific laws and regulations that dictate the boundaries of their activities. Unlike many Western countries, the Philippines does not have a specific licensing regime for private investigators. Despite the absence of a dedicated licensing body, private investigators in the Philippines are still bound by the country's legal framework. This includes adhering to laws related to privacy, data protection, trespass, and harassment. For instance, while private investigators can conduct surveillance, they must do so without infringing upon an individual's reasonable expectation of privacy. Furthermore, private investigators in the Philippines cannot impersonate law enforcement officers or engage in activities that are exclusively within the purview of the police. Engaging in illegal activities can lead to serious consequences, including criminal charges and imprisonment for both the investigator and the client who hired them. Balancing truth and legality. What investigators can and cannot do. The work of a private investigator in the Philippines involves balancing information gathering with legal boundaries. Permitted activities include surveillance, tailing subjects, and accessing public records. They can also conduct background checks and interview witnesses. However, wiretapping and hacking are serious offenses. Evidence obtained illegally is inadmissible in court. Unmasking deception. Common cases in the Philippines. Private investigators in the Philippines handle a wide array of cases, often delving into the personal and professional lives of their subjects. Their clientele is diverse, ranging from suspicious spouses to concerned business owners, all seeking answers and resolutions to their unique situations. Infidelity investigations are among the most common reasons individuals seek the services of private investigators in the Philippines. Suspicions of a cheating spouse or partner can be emotionally distressing, and a private investigator can provide concrete evidence to either confirm or alleviate these fears. Another frequent request is locating missing persons. Whether it's a runaway teenager, a long-lost relative, or someone who has intentionally disappeared. They use database searches, social media analysis, and interviews to piece together the subject's movements and whereabouts, often providing much-needed closure to families. The high stakes of confidentiality, risks of unlicensed investigators. In the shadowy world of private investigations, confidentiality is paramount. Clients entrust investigators with sensitive information, often revealing personal details and vulnerabilities. However, this trust can be easily shattered when dealing with unlicensed or unscrupulous operators who may prioritize personal gain over ethical conduct. The lack of a formal licensing system for private investigators in the Philippines creates a breeding ground for unqualified or unethical individuals to operate with minimal oversight. These individuals may lack the necessary skills, training, and ethical compass to handle sensitive cases responsibly. They may be more likely to engage in illegal activities such as hacking or extortion, putting their clients at risk. Clients may find themselves entangled in legal battles, facing accusations of privacy violations or other offenses, all because they entrusted their case to an unqualified individual. Seeking truth, ensuring integrity. Final thoughts and recommendations. The world of private investigation in the Philippines, while fascinating, is fraught with potential pitfalls. Navigating this complex landscape requires a thorough understanding of legal boundaries, a commitment to ethical conduct, and a discerning eye for choosing the right professional. While the allure of uncovering hidden truths can be tempting, it is crucial to prioritize lawful and responsible methods. It is essential to thoroughly research potential investigators, Verifying their credentials and experience, requesting references, and checking for any history of complaints or legal issues can provide valuable insights into their professional conduct. Transparency is key. A reputable investigator will be upfront about their methods, fees, and the legal limitations they operate within. By making informed decisions and engaging the services of legitimate, trustworthy professionals, individuals in the Philippines can leverage the unique skills of private investigators to seek resolutions, while upholding the integrity of the investigative process.